Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. और कोई आ रहे हैं कि नहीं?
Yes, sir. मुन्नू आ रही है.
Sir, our bar class is completed or
हाँ,
not?
completed.
Okay.
ठीक है, पोर्शन
Okay,
कंप्लीट हो
sir.
रहा है. तो टुडे
It's
वी
our control class.
हाँ जी.
It's our FNB control class.
No, it is your FMB bar class only. We'll do the revision of unit 1 today because since it's a practical session. अभी तीन लेक्चर है ना हमारे कंटिन्यूस.
Yes, sir.
So we'll do revision of unit 1. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
We'll have a discussions and then उसके आगे जो भी आपको रिवाइज कराना है हमारे सब खत्म हो गया ना, सिर्फ कंट्रोल्स का टॉपिक बाकी है. राइट.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
कंट्रोल का एक दो टॉपिक बाकी है विच विल फिनिश दिस वीक. हमारे थर्सडे फ्राइडे होती है ना कंट्रोल की क्लासेस.
Yes, sir.
वेडनेसडे थर्सडे. हाँ,
Friday. Yes.
तो उसमें हमारा खत्म हो जाएगा.
Sir, आज लास्ट क्लास है मेरे ख्याल से.
हाँ जी.
आज लास्ट क्लास है सर.
नहीं, आज नहीं है हमारी. आज तुम्हारे बाद सिर्फ मेरी BA CCA वालों के साथ है 3 क्लासेस.
Yes, sir.
तुम्हारे साथ वेडनेसडे से क्लासेस शुरू. वेडनेसडे को बार है, फिर थर्सडे को कंट्रोल्स है और फ्राइडे को कंट्रोल्स है. राइट.
बट सर HOD सर ने बोला था 17 और 18 को ही क्लासेस होंगी, उसके बाद हम फ्री हैं, सारी क्लासेस कोई नहीं होंगी.
अरे बेटा, जब हमारा पोर्शन नहीं खत्म हुआ तो हम कर देंगे ना.
ओके सर.
बाकी जो सिलेबस खत्म हो गया खत्म हो गया.
यस.
तो जिसका नहीं हुआ उसको तो करेंगे ना. वेडनेसडे को हमारी बार की क्लास एक है 503. उसमें हम कर देंगे
ठीक है.
कंट्रोल्स. ठीक है.
ठीक है सर. यस सर.
तो वो टेंशन मतलब. मुनमुन कहाँ चलेगी? नहीं, ये सुखमन आई थी, वो चलेगी. So I think we'll start slowly and slowly, then let people join in. ठीक है.
Yes.
So unit 1 is basically about spirits. ठीक है. So what is spirits? We will talk about.
The distilled beverages.
It's a distilled beverage. Okay. So generally, if you define, it is a potable alcoholic beverage which is obtained from the distillation of an alcohol containing liquid. ठीक है. That means you should have a fermented liquor. तो जनरली जो भी आपने ग्रेन से बनाई है या वेज पोटैटो से बनाई है, किसी से भी बनाई हो आपने, शुगर केन से बनाई हो, तो पहले उसको आपने फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस के थ्रू पास करना है. तो आफ्टर द फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस इज डन, सो इट इज अ लिक्विड which is containing alcohol. ठीक है, which we generally called as a wash. So that after distillation you get a distilled alcoholic or the spirit which is drinkable, or alcohol which is potable. Okay.
Yes.
So now if you talk about it history, I think there's quite a, some say Chinese were the originator, some say Arabs were the originator. So around 4,000 years ago, people had started distilling alcoholic beverages. Now, there is a measurement of how do we measure alcoholic beverages or the percentage of alcohol? Alcoholic strength कैसे measure करते हैं?
ABV
The proof से.
So there are 2-3 methods which are generally accepted worldwide. So the first one is yeah.
सर मुनमुन कह रही है आप उसको लैट्रिन कर लो, शी इज वेटिंग आउटसाइड.
बेटा किया हुआ है, वो ज्वाइनिंग में मैसेज दिखा रहा है.
ओके ओके सर.
वो दो फोन से ट्राई कर रही है. So there are 2-3 methods. The first one is the most found, which is Gay-Lussac's method. So GL proof, or the French method of measuring the alcoholic proof. Okay.
Yes,
now they use it by volume. They say volume, alcoholic strength. They measure in as per the volume per volume basis. Okay. Now the British systems is the British proof, they call it, and according to them, the ratio should be around 57. If the alcohol is 57%, 57.10% by volume, or the spirit contains 49.28% alcoholic by weight of the liquid, then they call it as a 100% proof. Okay.
yes, sir.
It's called as Sykes scale, and the Americans take half of it, and that becomes their proof. Okay. So now, so generally Indian system or Indian excise system, what we follow is we follow alcohol percentage volume by volume. Our excise laws or taxes are based on volume by volume basis. Okay. So we follow that system. And so that is the reason why if you see the spirit bottles which are sold in India, they have alcoholic percentage written V by V. And in India, see what we consider is 42.8%, which is 75% British proof. Okay. So 42.8% alcohol volume by volume is considered as say drinkable, and that on that you have a tax applicable. Now if the any spirit which has got more than 42.8 volume by volume, then the tax structure increases, and it comes under a category of rectified spirits. So there the taxes increases. So that is the reason most of these suppliers or producers of spirits give the maximum alcoholic strength of 42.8. तो जितने भी bottles आप देखोगे, even which we import also, we see it as 42.8 because the Indian tax structure changes after 42.8. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason
Yes.
why 42.8 volume by volume is used. So now there are two types of methods of distillation. What are those? What are the two types of systems which are used for distillation?
Sir, pot still and patent still.
Okay, pot still and patent still. So what is the difference?
Pot still sir, 2 containers होते हैं sir. It is done in 2 containers. Patent still में sir पूरा मतलब एक a huge cylinder मतलब
Sir,
बहुत
maturation period.
हाँ, कंटेनर्स की पहले बात करो.
यस सर, कंटेनर्स में सर हीट थ्रो करेंगे, वेपर्स बनाएंगे.
I think you are getting confused. जो pot still है उसमें
into liquid form by cooling it.
in a pot still there is one pot which is of copper. Okay. समझ रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, pot still method में एक pot होता है बड़ा सा कॉपर का, उसके नीचे आप आग जलाते हो, and that pot when you put the wash, जिसको हम wash is the liquid containing alcohol जो
Yes,
हम
sir.
fermentation process से बनाया है. So वो
Yes, sir.
उसके अंदर डालोगे and then you boil below it. ठीक है, उसके नीचे आग लगाओगे and then you boil that spirit. So since the alcohol's evaporate or boiling temperature is less than the water's boiling temperature, so alcohol starts evaporating before water. So once the alcohol starts evaporating, and then the vapors are collected, and then the pipe on the top becomes narrower and narrower, and then it passes through a chilling water cabinet, and then it condenses. So because of the cooler temperature, the vapor will condense, and there is a collection counter, okay, the other side, and so that in that you get the alcohol. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. So that is your pot still method. Now, generally pot still में क्या होता है? In the condensation area, there are 3 chambers. जिसमें you get 3 parts of it. One is the heads, hearts, and tails of the
Yes.
alcohol. So head is actually methyl alcohol, which is not good for consumption. So that goes there. And the heart is the main alcohol, which is for consuming. Okay. And then the tails is the cheaper, I mean, very light or poor quality of alcohol. So what we do is the tail part, we put it again in with the next wash. जो next wash जब हम डालते हैं pot still में, उसके अंदर हम इसको add कर देते हैं tail part. So then it boils again and become a good quality alcohol. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is how.
Yes,
Now in this, the temperature has to maintain steadily between 78 degree and 100 degree, because 78 degrees पे alcohol starts evaporating. So it has to be maintained in that particular temperature zone, and it should not increase above 100, because if it increases, water will also start evaporating, and then you will get water mixed with the alcohol. Okay, because if it becomes vapors, that also will get condensed with the alcohol. So that is a little drawback here. And then after every boiling, it has to be cleaned. That's another concern here. And the spirit has a little bit of impurities. Pot still में जो भी alcohol बनता है उसमें थोड़ी impurities होती हैं, इसलिए by law you have to mature these spirits for at least 2 years. So generally अगर आप देखो, most of the spirits which are made by pot still method are matured in the cask for 2 years and more, right? चाहे तुम
Yes,
कोने
sir.
ले लो, स्कॉच ले लो, जो भी pot still method यूज करते हैं, they mature it for more than 2 years. And then you have the patent still method. What is that patent still?
Two huge cylindrical container
Yeah.
in which the from one side the wash is coming, and the topmost side of the container is hot, and the downward side of the container is cold. So it will go through a pipe to the other container where there are filters, concentrated, perforated plates.
Perforated, yeah.
Yes, sir. Through which the
So what are
vapors
these
are
containers called?
perforated plates.
What are the containers called? The
Container.
So one is the analyzer column,
Yes, yes.
and the other one is rectifier column. तो एनालाइजर में आप अल्कोहल डालते हो और रेक्टिफायर में आप मतलब एनालाइजर में नीचे से स्टीम डालते हैं तो स्टीम इवेपोरेट्स एंड वो अल्कोहल का वेपर्स में कन्वर्ट करती है which goes to the rectifier, right?
Yes, sir.
और रेक्टिफायर से आप फर्मेंटेड लिक्विड डालते हो तो वो पाइप्स के थ्रू होके एनालाइजर में आता है और जब वो एनालाइजर में आता है तो वेपर्स कन्वर्ट इन आई मीन द स्टीम कन्वर्ट्स इनटू वेपर्स and then it passes through the different layers. Vapors कंडेंस होते हैं दूसरी साइड जाके so it's a continuous still so वो process continue चलता रहता है and then
Yes, sir.
there are these
and the steam is given through analyzer and again it converts into vapor.
correct. So there is a spirit plate जिसके ऊपर वो spirit condense होके गिरता रहता है and then it is collected in the outside of the rectifier. Okay.
Yes.
So it is a continuous process जो steam बनती रहती है condense होते रहता है बनती रहती है condense होता रहता है तो even alcohol वैसे ही है और जो फिर pure टपकता रहता है it keeps on coming out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In this you don't have to clean that equipment every time of the process and also in the first I mean when you get the first alcohol you spirit you can drink it. It's a drinkable alcohol but in pot still the first one it's not drinkable so उसमें आपको वापस एक बार करना पड़ता है इसमें नहीं करना पड़ता ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
So that is the difference between these two methods. And the spirit produced in this method is a little stronger than the pot still method.
Yes.
और इसमें heads और tails automatically निकल जाते हैं उसमें heads and tails आते थे ना इसमें automatically निकल जाते हैं. Okay.
Yes.
Then the spirits are matured and then aging is done. Maturation is basically done जो low proof spirit होते हैं उसको एज करना पड़ता है ठीक है तो डिपेंड्स ऑन दी कितनी इम्प्योरिटीज हैं उसमें और तो इसलिए हम उसको मैचुरेशन करना पड़ता है अल्कोहल का इन आई मीन बोथ द स्पिरिट्स both the methods जो मिलता है. Then the aging is done in the wooden cask. Now generally when you get this alcohol spirit out of distillation it is a pure colorless spirit, right? Colorless and odorless.
Yes.
The color to the whiskeys or any of these things come from the casks. Okay, it is not the color of the spirit. Please understand. Now the different types of casks are used. Some are even charred. You know, उसको काला किया जाता है जला के लकड़ी को. ये लकड़ी की कला उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा आग से जला के you know it is converted into charred. It is really charred. तो उसका वो smoky flavor उसमें alcohol में आता है. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So that is very important to understand. And then now these spirits are high concentrated alcohol. So then finally before bottling we have to dilute the spirits with the distilled water and then as per the different countries, जो 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 जितना जितना अलाउड होता है उस कंट्री में, वो ऐसे वैसे उसको उस अल्कोहल बाय वॉल्यूम क्रिएट करके दे और बॉटल इट एंड देन दे send it to those countries. ठीक है, for sale. So what you get in the cask is a pure spirit. I mean, what you get after this distillation methods, which is very high concentrated alcohol, which is not, you cannot consume directly. So you have to distill it with the water. So as per Indian standards, so they'll convert it into 42.8. So they'll add that much of water so that it becomes 42.8 volume by volume, and then they'll bottle it and they'll send it to India. So that is how these spirits are bought. So that is the distillation process. Now coming to the first spirit, which is whiskey. So what is whiskey?
Made of grains, alcohol made from grains.
Okay. Now it comes from a word called as Seg Beta, which means water of life, Gaelic word. Okay. And it is made from grains using barley, wheat, maize, or mixture of both, right?
Yes, sir.
Any kind of grains, even corn, rye, like if you go to US, they use corn whiskey or a rye whiskey. So depending on different countries, they produce whiskeys or different kinds of grains, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, whiskey making process, I will not go into details. I hope that you know the grains are cleaned and then the different mashing and all that stuff. The process of making, I will not go into detail. वो तो आप, it's a common process which all the spirits follow. We'll see about the different types of whiskeys and their examples, which you can take down. You know, it will help. Now, beta, जब भी exams में, whenever you get these questions of definition, 2 marks,
Yes,
3
sir.
marks, or 5 marks, please write examples also. You guys don't write examples. 2 marks का question है, एक line statement लिख देते हो कि and you expect 2 marks. You will not get 2 marks.
Okay, sir.
So whenever you write a definition of a particular thing, if there is an example which can go with it, please put an example. And if it is a 2 marks question, at least put two sentences. Don't put just one sentence. There will be something else also to that statement. So you can add that. ठीक है, अगर आपको 2 marks पूरे चाहिए तो. Okay.
Okay.
So most of you guys just
Yes,
put
sir.
one line statement and then finish it out. Examples लिखते हैं, कोई भी 3 number, 5 number या 10 number वाला होगा, put sufficient examples with every kind of जैसे आप different types of whiskeys लिख रहे हो, तो you put in Scotch, Ireland, Irish whiskey, American whiskey, Canadian whiskey, and what are the characteristics of those whiskeys you have to put, and then put examples of each of those whiskeys उसके साथ साथ. ठीक है, just don't put Canadian whiskey made in Canada, American whiskey, ऐसे 2-3 लाइन लिखोगे तो नहीं मिलेगा marks. And then you guys don't even attempt the entire all questions. तुम्हें लगता है हाँ बस मेरे हो गए 40 marks का हो गया, 50 marks का हो गया, वह एक क्वेश्चन 2 क्वेश्चन छोड़ देते. ओपन बुक में भी तुम क्वेश्चन छोड़ दोगे तो बिना ओपन बुक में तो क्या करोगे तुम? हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Always attempt all the questions. ठीक है, and then put sufficient examples, categorizations जो मांगी है उन्होंने उस हिसाब से लिखा. So when we talk about whiskey, so always whenever you hear about whiskey, the first thing which comes into mind is the Scotch whiskey, right? So
Yes,
we talk
sir.
about good whiskey, we come. So it is symbolic कि मतलब whiskey मतलब Scotch, but it is not that. Every whiskey is not a Scotch. Okay, every Scotch is a whiskey, but every whiskey is not a Scotch. So you need to know the differences between different types of whiskeys and their characteristics. I mean हर country का अलग अलग एक characteristics होता है whisky बनाने का, वो आपको थोड़ा पता होना चाहिए. And if you know the regions, it is good. संगम कुमार तुम्हारी क्लास का?
No.
He is from
No,
BHM
sir.
City. 6 का है. Why is he joining this class? Okay. So when we talk about Scotch whiskey, so it is basically Scotch means it's from Scotland. Okay. So there are now 4 regions which are main regions of producing Scotch whiskey. One is the, do you know the regions of Scotch?
Scotland.
हाँ, 4 रीजन पता है आपको? The 4 main regions in Scotland, which is Highland, the Lowlands, Campbelltown, and Islay. Okay, these are the 4 regions which are famous. I mean, Scotch is producing regions of Scotland. Now, generally, Scotch is a blend of grain whiskey, and it is distilled in patent still, and from maize and malt. So when it is done from maize, it is done in patent still, and malt whiskey distilled in the pot still. Okay, from malted barley. Uh, So whiskey process remains the same, the cleaning and then malting, drying, mashing, fermentation, distillation, maturation, blending. So all that processes will remain the same. So I'm not going into those details. Okay. So now the Scotch whiskey is basically a blended whiskey, and it is so made from malted barley using a pot still method. And if it is made from maize, then it is patent still method is used. Okay, but basically it is malted barley which is used for making Scotch whiskey. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And they use river waters for, and which has got beautiful, which gives its own aroma and taste to the whiskey. And that is why Scotch whiskies are very famous. Those rivers are very, very clean, and the waters are, generally used in mineral waters and all that stuff. So that water has got its own distinct taste and flavor, which gives the uh, character to the whiskies of Scotland. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now coming to the brand names of Scotch whiskey. What are the brand names? तुम लोग ने उस दिन गूगल सर्च मार के जो नाम पहले आया बस डाल दिया है एग्जाम में. So what are the what are Scotch whiskies? Examples.
Malt Scotch, Premium Scotch, Standard Scotch.
Branded names देगा. So Scotch generally requires 2 types of whiskey. The first is the malt whiskey, which gives body and character to the Scotch, and then it is blended with the Scotch grain whiskies, which gives it the lightness. So that is the characteristic of a Scotch whiskey. It's a blend of grain whiskey and the malt whiskey. ठीक है, ये याद रखना.
Yes.
Now coming to brand names. So the brand names is Ballantyne. Have you heard of this name? तुम लोग
Yes,
लिख
sir,
लो
heard.
इसको.
Okay.
So there is Ballantyne, Chivas Regal, Grants, Cutty-Sark. Okay, let's categorize into premium Scotch, standard Scotch, and malted Scotch. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
So in the premium Scotch, you have Johnny Walkers. ठीक है, जॉनी वॉकर में आपके पास सारे उसमें आते हैं, ब्लैक लेबल, गोल्ड लेबल, ब्लू लेबल, ठीक है, येलो लेबल. These are all premium Scotches. Then you have Black Dog. Then you have Chivas Regal, 12 years old. Then you have Dimple Scotch, which is 15 years old. Then you have John Haig. Then Ballantyne, जो मैंने बोला था. Then Grant's Premium, John Haig. So these are all premium Scotch. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The next one is standard Scotch. अब उसमें जॉनी वॉकर का रेड लेबल आता है स्टैंडर्ड स्कॉच में, ठीक है. Then you have black and white. Then you have Cutty-Sark, Cutty, Sark, SARK. Then you have VAT 69. Then you have White and Mackay, WHYTE, and Mackay, MACKAY. Okay. Then you have White Horse, Old Smuggler, Teachers, Dewars, DEWARS. So that is your standard Scotch. And then you have single malt. Okay. Single malt is a separate category of this Scotch, okay, which is made from one type of a malt. So that is why it is called a single malt. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
single malt, there are so many categories. I mean, so many brand names. There is Glenmorangie, GLEN. Time भी हो गया होगा. Another 5 minutes will cut off, then we'll log in again. So then there is so Glenmorangie. Then there is Glenfiddich, GLENFIDDCICH. Then you have Oban, OBAN. Then you have Macallan, MACCALLAN. Then you have Glenmorangie हो गया, Glenfiddich, Glenlivet. Glen series बहुत सी हैं, GLENLIVET. So these are all single malts which are famous and expensive. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is about Scotch whiskey. Then next is Irish whiskey. Okay, what is the characteristics of Irish whiskey? Yeah, what is it? Now, Irish whiskey is distilled with mash of malted and unmalted grain. Okay, both. So unmalted barley, wheat, oats, and rye together with the malt necessary to provide the enzymes. तो उसमें malted and unmalted दोनों grains use होते हैं. So barley, wheat, oats, and rye. Now, generally Irish whiskies are 5 to 7 years old. That means they are matured for more than 5 years. Okay, which gives it a great body and malty flavor.
Yes, sir.
And Irish whiskey is generally made by pot still method. Okay, and it is done thrice. The distillation process is done thrice. In the single malt, in the Scotch, it is done twice. Okay, the distillation is done twice, but in Irish whiskey, it is done thrice. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And by law, the Irish whiskey is matured for 5 years, and the Scotch
Yes, sir.
whiskey is matured for 3 years minimum. So that is the minimum. And then the more you mature, the longer you mature, the expensive that whiskey will become.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the famous brands of or examples of Irish whiskies are Old Bushmills. You heard of that? The famous ones, Old Bushmills, OLD, Old Bushmills, BUSHMILLS. Then Jameson's, JAMESONS. इंडिया में काफी आती है जेमसन आयरिश विस्की. Then John Power. Okay. Then you have Tullamore, TULLAMORE, and Paddy, PADDY. So these are few examples of Irish whiskey. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you have Murphy's. You can add Murphy's also. MURPHYS apostrophe S. Now the next one is American whiskey. Okay. So what is American whiskey? Generally made by corn and rye. ठीक है. Now I think अभी time खत्म हो रहा है, so I will log out and log in again. ठीक है. So please do that.
Yes, sir.